The front of a roof with its outer edges 8 feet above the ground can be modeled by y equals negative 2/3 times the absolute value of x minus 9 plus 14, where x and y are measured in feet. Graph the function and state the domain and range in this context. I'm going to highlight in this context because that's going to make a big difference in the overall problem. Step 1 is find our vertex, hk. Since it's x minus 9, my h value is 9, and my k value is 14. So I have to be careful on this graph because of how it's scaled. 9 is actually going to be between two things for my h value, and then my k value is going to be nice and easy on that 14 line. Now I'm going to work to the right first with my slope of negative 2/3. So I'm going to go down to right 3. And when I'm going down to right 3, again, I have to be very, very careful of the scaling. Down 2 is from one line to the next line. Okay, I have full spacing there. When I'm going to the right, I go half of a square for once. So just be careful with that. And I'm going to do that a couple of times. And I just have to stop right here. The reason why I'm stopping right here, that's my y value of 8, which it says the roof ends 8 feet above the ground. So now when I go back the other direction, now I'm going to look at a positive 2/3 graph. So I'm going to go down 2, left 3. And same thing, I stop right there at 8. That's my graph in this context. And if you feel like this doesn't make sense, we're talking about a house. I'm just going to draw in a quick house. You can do this mentally, or you can physically do it if it makes you feel a little better. There's my house. The black part's the roof. That's the graph we were looking at. Now our domain has a restriction. X is an element of the reals such that all my x values, we go from 0 out to 18, and we do get to include those values. So I'm going to have 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 18. My range tells me that y is an element of the real numbers. My lowest y value is 8. My highest y value is 14. So I'm going to have 8 is less than or equal to y is less than or equal to 14. This is a word problem where it feels more complicated than it really is. It's the same type of question if I just said graph this, but by saying this outer edge is 8 feet above the ground, that just tells me to stop instead of having arrows, and I don't have to go any further. Have a great day, everybody.